I think for today, once we've topped off the diesel. This morning when we were on the train to come back to the boat, and it got cancelled from Chesterfield, so we've had to make a dive into Sheffield, and now we're hoping to pick it up from here, so we'll let you know how it goes on. Morning everybody.
Morning.
Well, we've been at Skipton now for 2 weeks. We've had steady time there. Been able to get home, do some stuff there, and now we're launching off again. First order of the day is just to come up to a winding hole, turn the boat so that we can go back and top off the diesel again, because we want to start with a full tank for the next run down, don't we?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, it's a bit blustery and a bit wet.
We've got a rainbow,
which has proved a little bit tricky for filming, but hopefully you get the idea. So we've got about, I don't know, it's probably going to be about half an hour, 3/4 from where we were moored up to a winding hole, and we've got to go back that way, so it's an hour and a half lost.
Shame, but never mind.
But it just was peace of mind really that we've got full diesel tanks when we set off, and then we're off towards Gargrave.
Yeah.
So we continue up. I thought we were at the top of the Pennines when we got to Skipton, but it appears that the top of the Pennines is at Barnoldswick. That's right, yeah. So we've still got a few more locks and a bit more climbing to do till we get to the top. There was a lock closure. We believe that lock closure is now clear, or if it's not clear now, it's certainly due to be quite shortly, so we can head off in that direction. I think for today, once we've topped off the diesel. As you can see, we had a near disaster here, all my own fault because I didn't lock down the tripod leg. We nearly lost the camera and the gimbal over the side of the boat. Luckily I managed to catch it in time. near myself. However, we're just we've done all the fuel and everything, and we're now just filling up with water. It's the most inclement of days. I suppose it's a good day to test out the waterproofness of this new camera. Anyway, we're already wet now, so we're going to fill it with water and then press forward beyond the bridges and then tuck in somewhere. I think the forecast is that it's going to be as wet as this tomorrow, so we maybe find somewhere there and then hunker down and stick it out tomorrow until the weather picks up. We'll keep you posted. So this is where we managed to get moored for the night. We had a bit of a struggle really. The banks here are really shallow, so finding an edge where we could get the boat close enough in was a struggle. So we were glad to get moored up last night. Very wet, a bit cold, but it all turned out all right in the end. As you might be able to hear, the wind is up today. It was quite windy yesterday as well, so we're going to stay put here for the time being and take it easy for a day. I think the boat's harder ground actually, so I don't think it's moving anywhere anytime soon. And we're just below the first of the locks that move up into Gargrave, so not far to go to Gargrave once we do set off tomorrow or the day after.